Hey, hi everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to enable auto subtitles for your YouTube videos. So, if you have gone through any video of mine, you will see auto subtitles being generated, right? So, how to enable this and how to go about it, right? So, these are not subtitles which I have created for this video. This is auto generated by YouTube. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now, some key criterias to note how to go ahead with this. First is go to your channel and ensure either one way you have in upload defaults set the language and caption certification. You have selected the language, because if your video language is not selected, then it the auto generation of subtitles from YouTube won't happen, right? So this is very important that the language, either you do it individually for your video or you can do it in upload defaults settings of your channel. First is that. Now, second important point is not every language the auto generated subtitles will be created. Okay, so English is the safest one for which the auto generation of subtitles will happen. You can simply, for any video of here, you can see, go to languages and you can see over here that they will be generating the subtitles, auto translation and of subtitles and audio which will happen for it, right? So if the subtitles are generated and you want to edit, you can simply click on this and you can edit over here, and the subtitles which YouTube has generated, you can edit it, right? Now, the other way is you upload your subtitles, the SRT file by yourself, and I already created a video for this. You can refer this video which I am linking over here to know how you can upload an SRT file, how you can generate them and use it for your YouTube video. So, in short, two important points to note: the video language should be enabled for your video for the auto generation of subtitles, and second is you can edit it for any video on your channel. One of the biggest reasons why auto generation of subtitles doesn't happen is the language for the video is not set, and that's the only distinguishing factor. So if if this video has helped you, do like the video and share it with your friends who are in the YouTube journey, and like our channel and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.